I make. Neigh, neigh. Woof, woof. Oink, oink. Do you know where I am? I am in a farm. Do you know what my favorite farm animal is? I'll give you a clue. You got it right. It's a horse. Do you know what a male horse is called? It's called a stallion. Do you know what a female horse is called? It's called a mare. Do you know what a baby horse is called? It's called a foal. What does this animal eat? A horse eats grass and hay. Why do farmers raise these animals? Farmers raise these animals for horse riding and horse racing. For help, plowing and drawing carriages and carts. What is special about this animal? It has a lot of stamina and energy than any other farm animal. Other interesting information. They don't give meat or lay eggs, but they are useful. They can run 27 miles per hour. Horses can live up to 25 years. The Pony Express is a famous story that I'm going to tell you now. Long time ago, when there were no cars, no buses, no trucks, how did people used to send letters to other people? They used to ride horses to go to another place. From Missouri to California, the horse riders had to ride and face blizzard, snow, rain or jungle, and they were very courageous. John Fry was the first Pony Express rider. Buffalo Bill Cody was the youngest Pony Express rider. We will always remember the Pony Express rider like my horse. Thank you.